Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope everybody are fine. Yes, let us study one more lesson from science, that is coal and petroleum. In this lesson, you will be studying about the natural resources and the types of natural resources. It may be inexhaustible and exhaustible natural resources. And in detail, we will be studying about coal, petroleum and natural gas. Coming to natural resources, what are natural resources? You know that we human beings use various materials for our basic needs. Some of them are found in nature and some are made by human efforts. So, the materials or the resources like air, water, soil, and minerals are obtained from nature. Isn't it? They are not made by man. It is naturally obtained from nature. They are called as natural resources. What are natural resources? The resources which are obtained from nature are called as natural resources. So, in case of natural resources, we can broadly classify them into two kinds. Which are they? Inexhaustible natural resource and exhaustible natural resource. Inexhaustible, the name itself says that it will not get exhausted. That means after the resource being used continuously, it remains as it is without getting over. That means the resources are present in unlimited quantity in nature. So it will not get exhausted also by human activities. Those examples like sunlight or air or soil, isn't it? All these are the examples for inexhaustible natural resources. Coming to exhaustible natural resources. Exhaustible means it will get over soon after it is used, after the resource being used continuously. One day will come where there will be no such resource. It may be the wildlife or forest, or we can say that it is coal or petroleum. So after it is used continuously, it gets exhausted by human activities. That means the amount of these resources in nature is limited. If it is used continuously, it gets exhausted and there will be no such resource. That type of resource is known as exhaustible natural resources. We have the example like coal, petroleum and natural gas, or it may be forest, wildlife and minerals. Let us study about coal, petroleum and natural gas. This coal, petroleum and natural gas were formed from the dead remains of living organisms. So they are known as fossil fuels. What are fossil fuels? Fuels formed by natural process due to buried dead organisms containing organic molecules in them are known as fossil fuels. Coming to coal, it is black in color and it is very hard. It is one of the fuels used to cook food. In early days, it was used in railway engines to produce steam. By the production of steam, the engine used to run. It is also used in thermal power plants to produce electricity. Thermal power plants means a station in which heat energy is converted into electric power. So, coal is also used in thermal power plants. is also used as fuels in various industries also. Coming to the story of coal, how coal was formed. About 300 million years ago, the earth had dense forest in low-lying wetland areas. Low-lying wetland areas means waterlogged grounds or swamplands. Due to some natural process, it may be like flooding, these forests got buried under the soil. And as more soil got deposited over them, they got compressed. The temperature also rose and they sank deeper and deeper. These forests sank deep inside the soil. Then what happened? The pressure and temperature rose. It became high. The dead plants got slowly converted to coal. When the temperature and pressure became high, the dead plants got converted into coal. As coal contains mainly carbon, the process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called as carbonization. What is carbonization? It is the conversion of organic matter like plants and dead animal remains into carbon. This process is called as carbonization. Since coal is formed from the remains of vegetation, it is called as fossil fuel. One more thing is, when coal is heated in air, it burns and produces carbon dioxide gas. Coal is processed in industry to get some useful products such as coke, coal tar and coal gas. What is coke? It is tough, porous and black substance. It is almost pure form of carbon. Coke is used in the manufacture of steel and in the extraction of some metals. Coal tar. It is black and thick liquid which have unpleasant smell. It is a mixture of about 200 substances. Products obtained from coal tar are used as starting materials for manufacturing various substances which are used in our life. In industries also, it is used in the manufacture of dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, plastics, paints, photographic materials, roofing materials and so on. You all know about naphthalene balls? Yes, used in order to repel the moths, isn't it? So, these naphthalene balls are also obtained from coal tar. Coal gas. It is obtained during the processing of coal to get coke. It is used as a fuel in many industries. Now we have studied about coke, coal tar and coal gas which we get when coal is processed. We must know that coke is the solid form of coal. Coal tar is the liquid form of coal and coal gas is the gaseous form of coal.